Follow this exact routine for 7 days and notice real changes.
First, remove rice and bread. Replace them with eggs and avocado. Stop sugar completely. No sweets, no soft drinks, no hidden sugar.
Cook 2 or 3 eggs in butter or olive oil.
Add half an avocado. Healthy fats keep you full longer.
Choose broccoli, spinach, or zucchini. These are low-carb vegetables. For lunch, grill chicken or fish with simple salt and pepper.
Fill half your plate with vegetables and add clean protein.
If hungry, eat a small handful of almonds, not more than this. Drink water often. Add a little salt if you feel weak. Keep total carbs under 30 grams per day.
Always check labels. Avoid foods with hidden carbohydrates. Walk at least 20 minutes daily to improve fat burning.
Check your weight once a week. Stay patient and consistent.
This is Keto Diet for Beginners. Simple steps, real results.